The next war in AI will not be fought over models, but over data. As real-world data becomes harder to obtain, more expensive, and restricted by privacy laws, AI has begun to take matters into its own hands by creating data itself. This emerging movement, known as the synthetic data economy, is quietly reshaping the entire AI training industry. Over the past decade, AI progress has been built on vast amounts of real data, social posts, image datasets, videos, and conversation logs. But as copyright battles and data rights disputes grow, developers are turning to a new energy source, data generated by AI and used to retrain AI. Leading this trend are three projects: BAI EMU3, 5, a multimodal data factory that mass-produces text, images, and tables. LightOn OCR1B combines OCR and text generation to expand document datasets automatically. NVIDIA ChronoEdit creates physically consistent video data for autonomous driving and climate simulation. Together, they represent three dimensions of synthetic data: text X vision, X time. BAI EMU3, 5 uses a multimodal transformer architecture. From a single text prompt, it can simultaneously generate a corresponding image, description, category label, and QA annotation, a full data package ready for model training. LightOn OCR1B innovates through document regeneration. It learns layout, structure, and tone from existing datasets, then produces new documents with similar format but different meaning. For example, it can create 1,000 simulated medical reports from 10 originals, preserving privacy while expanding scale. ChronoEdit Diffusers focuses on temporal data augmentation. It doesn't just generate still images, it produces continuous frames governed by real-world physics, light direction, wind speed, and motion trajectory, allowing models to perceive a changing world. Together, these technologies are building an ecosystem capable of endless training sample generation. Medical research, EMU3, 5 produces simulated radiology images and case summaries, training models to recognize rare diseases without real patient data. Financial risk control, LightOn OCR creates synthetic invoices, receipts, and contracts, providing low-risk datasets for OCR model training. Autonomous driving, ChronoEdit generates diverse weather, lighting, and obstacle variations, simulating rare but critical driving scenarios. In the future, data will no longer be divided into real or fake. It will become generated reality, diverse enough, accurate enough, and safe enough for training. Imagine a world where the label data source no longer reads captured by humans but created by AI. This is the dawn of a data industrial revolution. When models learn to feed themselves, data ceases to be a limitation and becomes a renewable resource. If you're experimenting with synthetic data training, share your models and applications. The era of generated data has begun.